So I'm sure you've heard the news. The global nature of our society means that a new pandemic could reach every corner of the world in a matter of days. Number 4, think Yellowstone. It could block sunlight for years, triggering widespread famine. The Yellowstone supervolcano is one of the most powerful natural forces on Earth, and an eruption would have catastrophic consequences. The ash cloud would cover much of North America, and the effects would be felt worldwide. Crops would fail, temperatures would drop, and the resulting chaos could lead to the collapse of civilizations. At number 5, a 4 degrees Celsius rise by 2100 could cause mass starvation and ecosystem collapse. Not cool? Climate change is already having significant impacts, from more frequent and severe weather events to rising sea levels and shifting ecosystems. If we don't take action to mitigate these effects, the consequences could be catastrophic. Entire regions could become uninhabitable, leading to mass migrations and conflicts over resources. Number 6. The 1859 Carrington event fried telegraphs. A modern repeat could cripple our power grids for years. The Carrington event was a massive solar storm that caused widespread damage to the telegraph system, and a similar event today could have even more devastating effects. Our reliance on technology and electricity means that a major solar storm could knock out power grids, communication networks, and other critical infrastructure, leading to chaos and disruption on a global scale. Next, by 2050, AI might surpass human intelligence. Misaligned goals could end us all. Artificial intelligence has the potential to revolutionize our world, but it also comes with risks. If AI systems become more intelligent than humans and their goals are not aligned with ours, the consequences could be catastrophic. From autonomous weapons to economic disruption, the potential dangers of advanced AI are a growing concern. And number 8, one close enough gamma ray burst could strip our ozone layer, exposing us to deadly radiation. Yikes! Gamma ray bursts are among the most powerful events in the universe, and if one were to occur close enough to Earth, the effects would be devastating. The intense radiation could strip away our ozone layer, leaving us vulnerable to harmful ultraviolet radiation from the sun. This could lead to widespread environmental damage and a collapse of ecosystems. Number 9, overuse of resources and loss of biodiversity could destabilize food chains, leading to societal breakdown. Our planet's resources are finite, and our current rate of consumption is unsustainable. Deforestation, overfishing, and pollution are just a few of the ways we're putting our environment at risk. The loss of biodiversity and the collapse of ecosystems could lead to food shortages, economic instability, and social unrest. Finally, number 10. Imagine getting spaghettified by a wandering black hole or shredded by a magnetar's radiation. Black holes and magnetars are some of the most extreme objects in the universe, and while the chances of encountering one are slim, the consequences would be catastrophic. A black hole passing through our solar system could disrupt planetary orbits and cause massive gravitational disturbances. A magnetar, with its intense magnetic fields and radiation, could strip away our atmosphere and sterilize the planet. But wait, there's more. Let's explore a few additional scenarios that could spell the end for us. Number 11, a rogue planet could enter our solar system, causing gravitational chaos. Rogue planets are planets that don't orbit a star and wander through space. If one were to pass through our solar system, its gravitational pull could disrupt the orbits of planets, potentially sending Earth on a collision course with another celestial body, or ejecting it from the solar system entirely. Number 12, a supernova explosion nearby could irradiate Earth. Supernovae are the explosive deaths of massive stars, and if one were to occur close enough to Earth, the intense radiation could strip away our atmosphere and cause mass extinctions. The gamma rays and other high-energy particles would be deadly to life on Earth. Number 13, a global economic collapse could lead to widespread chaos and conflict. Our global economy is interconnected, and a major financial crisis could trigger a domino effect, leading to the collapse of economies worldwide. This could result in mass unemployment, food shortages, and social unrest, potentially leading to conflicts and wars. Number 14, a massive cyber attack could cripple our infrastructure. As our world becomes increasingly digital, the risk of a large-scale cyber attack grows. Hackers could target critical infrastructure, such as power grids, water supplies, and communication networks, causing widespread disruption and chaos. Number 15. A runaway artificial intelligence could decide to eliminate humanity. While this may sound like science fiction, experts warn that if we don't carefully control the development of AI, it could become a real threat. An AI with goals misaligned with human values could take actions that are harmful to us, potentially leading to our extinction. So there you have it. Scared yet? These scenarios may seem far-fetched, but they are all based on scientific principles and real possibilities.
小红书
While the chances of any one of these events happening in our lifetime are relatively low, it's important to be aware of the risks and to take steps to mitigate them. See you next time for more science thrills. Stay curious, stay informed, and remember, the future is in our hands. By understanding the risks and working together, we can build a more resilient and sustainable world. Until next time, keep exploring the wonders of science and the mysteries of the universe. Welcome back. If the top 10 ways the world could end weren't enough to keep you up at night, we've got more potential scenarios to explore. Buckle up, because the ride isn't over yet. Number 11. A massive solar flare. Remember the Carrington event we mentioned earlier? Well, a similar but even larger solar flare could disrupt all electronic communications and power grids, plunging us into chaos. Our modern world is heavily reliant on technology, and a solar superstorm could knock out satellites, internet, and even electricity on a global scale. Imagine the world going dark in an instant. No phones, no internet, no power. The ensuing panic and disorder would be unimaginable. Number 12. A sudden and severe climate shift. While gradual climate change is already a threat, a rapid and extreme shift could lead to uninhabitable conditions in many parts of the world. Imagine if temperatures soared or plummeted within a matter of years, rendering vast regions unlivable. Crops would fail, water sources would dry up, and mass migrations would lead to conflicts and societal breakdown. Number 13. A global economic collapse. The interconnected nature of our global economy means that a severe financial crisis in one part of the world could trigger a domino effect, leading to widespread poverty and conflict. Imagine the stock markets crashing, banks failing, and millions losing their jobs overnight. The resulting instability could lead to the collapse of governments and the rise of extremist groups vying for power.
小红书
Number 14. A large-scale cyber attack. In our digital age, critical infrastructure and services are increasingly vulnerable to cyber threats. A coordinated cyber attack could cripple power grids, water supplies, financial systems, and even healthcare services. The chaos that would ensue from such an attack would be devastating, with cities plunged into darkness and essential services rendered inoperable. Number 15. A sudden and severe pandemic. While we've already discussed bioengineered viruses, a naturally occurring pandemic could also pose a significant threat. Imagine a new, highly contagious and deadly virus spreading rapidly across the globe, overwhelming healthcare systems and leading to widespread loss of life. Social and economic impacts would be profound, with quarantines, travel bans, and a general sense of fear and uncertainty gripping the world. Stay tuned as we dive deeper into these scenarios and more. It's crucial to understand these risks so we can better prepare for the always, stay informed and let's work together to build a more resilient world. Until next time, keep exploring the wonders of science and the mysteries of the universe.